What does OG mean?
Hello and welcome to today's video. Today we're going to demystify the slang term that's been making rounds on the internet, in movies, music, and even in everyday conversation, OG. Stay tuned to understand what it means and how to use it correctly.
What does OG stand for?
OG is an acronym that primarily stands for Original Gangster. This term originated in the hip-hop industry during the 1980s and was used to describe a veteran of the game, someone who has been around, who is respected and perhaps even somewhat of a trendsetter.
How has the meaning of OG evolved?
However, in the modern context, OG has evolved to take on broader meanings. It's now also used in online gaming, digital culture, and casual conversation to refer to anything or anyone that is seen as original, authentic, or the first of something. For example, in the gaming world, an OG username refers to a name that is unique or original, not derivative of other usernames.
How do you use OG in a sentence?
Let's look at a couple of examples. 1. In the traditional context, Ice-T is considered an OG in the rap industry because he helped pave the way for future rappers. 2. In the modern context, her Instagram handle is @Jane. That's such an OG username. So, now you know. The next time you come across OG in conversation or online, you'll be able to recognize its double meaning, whether it's referring to a respected veteran or an original aspect of something. Thanks for tuning in to our video, and remember, stay OG, that is, stay original and true to yourself.